Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to Asia Session. I'm hosting tonight for my Funded Futures. How was everybody tonight? Hey, D Hall, G Paltra, Ballista, Zephside, XD, Bread. What's going on, everybody? How are it? James Dean, how is everybody? All right. All right. Nice to see everybody here tonight. Um, okay. Hope everybody's had a good day today. It was really fun. It was really fun today. We had a really good day overall, I have to say. Big patterns here. The chip stocks led the way here. Look at this Micron 1151. Unbelievable. Had some really great trade in Amazon today. Goosed it up at the end of the day, kicked it out. What else here? Beautiful shorts on SpaceX today. Gold making new lows here. I mean, look at these patterns in gold. I mean, you just can't really it's just amazing here on the gold. You can just see here, look at this beautiful bear flag here on the over. Look at this bear flag, 42.38. When you see the ADXs are rising here on the 30-minute, and you can see the ADXs rising on the 15, this is this is an absolute Picasso right here. Look at this gold. It's going to break 4,200. Good evening, David. And then if you look at the 60-minute time frame, you can see the 60-minute ADXs are rising. So when you have the 80, excuse me, when you have the ADXs rising on both the 15, 30, and 60, you better be looking to short the first those bounces on the 5-minute time frame. Hey, Morvid, how are you? Bear Trader, hey, what's going on? Great stream. Hey, yep, had some really good shorts on the had some really good shorts. Okay, Pipster, ES Futures. Barbie, how are you? Barbie, hi everyone. Yep. All right. All right, thank you. It's very fast and it's good and again everybody remember last night during the Asia session, I said, look out, gold was trading like 44, 43, 985, 43.95. And I said, hi, Vanessa. Tiger, how are you? Albano, Sid. Oh, here's someone new. Ratishka Kahuhan. Okay. Okay. Oh, your EMI. Okay, that's right. Hey, EMI. All right. Well, again, everybody, I do a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. And really excited to be here tonight. I'm also new short NQ. I love that name. Hey, Tina. Tina, pull over. Tina always does trades when she's driving. Love it. Short NQ, how are you? If anybody out there is new and would like get a 5-day free trial, you can text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. Really super excited here. We're going to start in 1 minute. The bells are going to go off for the 8 o'clock session officially to open here. Market, really was up because of the chip stock. SanDisk, Micron. Micron new highs 1151, and they're off at Belmont. All right, I think the 15s are gonna start rolling over here. If they push up here, get the 30s oversold here though. Nasdaq's in the positive trend. Let's just wait, see if we can. Nasdaq's in the positive trend on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames. This gold's finished. I think it's gonna be hey gameplay. I think it's gonna be kind of slow here tonight though, but they'll see. There is a little bear flag. All right. Nasdaq just push. Let's put the Nasdaq up here. This gold held the 4,200 level here for now, but we're gonna watch it. Put the Nasdaq back up. Nice little 5-minute bear flag, 60-minute bull flag going to set up here, though. Look at this 60-minute oversold into the positive MACD. What time is this here? 10 o'clock. We push down to new lows here. See this new low here? The MACD did not confirm the low. That was beautiful. Right? MACDs did not confirm the low. Wow. All right. Let's just see here. Short here off the fives. So when you see this push down here and you're making new lows here at 9 and then the other new low here at 10, you can see how the MACDs didn't confirm the low. And then look at it. Boom. Ricocheted right back up. All right. Hello, everybody. Hey, Khalib. How are you? I think Nasdaq down, gold up. I don't know. Be careful. Canada's up 6-0 over Qatar, right? I think Qatar had lost a guy with a red card, if I'm not mistaken, right? All right. I think what we're gonna look to do here is let's see if they can get a little bit of a push downward here. These 15s. Hey, Papa Delt, how are you? SpaceX stock got absolutely cabooshed. Absolutely. Down to 63 here. I'm going to start taking these trades here off these 1 minute. You got these negative MACDs here. You got to be careful with the 60-minute bull flag here, though. Got to be careful with the 60-minute. I haven't looked at it. No. Hey, Samuel. How are you, Samuel? Let's see if we get a better pattern here. Just gonna. Hey, True John. How are you? Rogue Trader. SpaceX stock got cabooshed. You ain't kidding. Let's see if we get the gold just got cabooshed here. All right. Nice little short off the 1 minute here. Anybody trade off the 1 minute? I'm just been watching just the ticks here. Very, very quiet. Just gonna see here these 15s, but I think these 60s are gonna sit up along here. Last night I said that the gold was gonna roll over on the 30 minute. All right, right back up. Gonna watch this here. I got that pencil down here. Got down to 61. Just gonna wait for a little bit better. I think these 15-minute, these 60-minute bull flags, really combined with the 30-minute being oversold here, I think is going to be a pretty good long setting up. I just thought maybe we get down to the 44 handle here. And we'll see. All right. Let's see what we're going to end up doing here. Very quiet. Hey, Iceman. Iceman's in the house. You got to figure tomorrow being the tomorrow figure. That was a nice short. That was really fast, though, Jennifer. Get in there. You got to figure, with the last, tomorrow, nobody's really going to be in, but especially with the 3-day weekend, we're off tomorrow, but the markets are open till about 12/1 on the. I'll be doing my stream. I'll be doing my stream, and all right, gold's making new lows here. Damn, that was a nice short. Again, those ADX is rising here. If this gold gets down, you want to take a scalp long if it flushes, like maybe 87.5 to 95.5. I think this NASDAQ here, if the NASDAQ can drop down to the, I would go like the 25 to 55 range, just keep it tight. You could take a scalp long here. Um, you know, let's just see here, down 54. You still have the chips up here. S&P's down 9. I don't think the market's going to do anything stupid before July 4th. Now, after July 4th, August is probably the worst month of the year, right? Do I think gold down to 4? Oh, yeah, I do. I do. I think gold's going to get slaughtered. I think gold is going to break that 40, 48 handle. And then I think it's just going to get absolutely kabooshed. All right. That was a nice short up there at 83 right here on the 5 minute. Okay. 54. All right. You can just click away here. We bought 55s. Look to sell 60 up to 75 range here. Should get one more push up. Beautiful bear flag. The minute I walked in, I saw the S&P's above 66, 67. NASDAQ right around the 30,690 handle. Well, I know. I think that they're going to keep the market up for the 250th anniversary. Hey, thank you, Stephen, for the kind words. Thank you. Okay. I remember when gold was at 4,600. I said we're going to 4,100, and we got down to what 40, 48. There goes the okay. I'd start scaling. Just trade the Nasdaq, 65 to 75, 80. I'd be kicking out longs here. And I just thought, for me, I thought that for me, the most important thing was the ability to, have we protected by buying dust, the UST. Yeah, I just think that we need to just figure out. Uh, we need to, what do you call it? Just move this along in a way where I think gold needs to. Hey Jeff, gold needs to drop. Okay, Nasdaq. Looking at the 1 minute here. I don't know. Do you trade all? Oh, absolutely. Oh yeah, Brandon, absolutely. Mm. I had a good day today. Caught a lot of good shorts on the opening. Now, one of the things I teach my students is that if you look at the bigger time frames as I do in the morning and I get here early, I had nothing but sell divergences on the 60, 30, and the 15-minute time frames. And right before I came on at 10:25, at 10:30 this morning, I called a really wicked short at 7:05, above 7:05 on the Nasdaq futures. And by the time I got on the My Fund the Futures TV show, they were down 190, like that. Boom, right? Hey, Kyle D, what's going on? Why doesn't gold need to drop, but the market doesn't? I didn't say the market doesn't. The markets are up. First of all, what happened yesterday is a very bearish scenario. Okay, and and they I think they're talking about raising rates, not cutting rates. So that's bearish for gold. Gold only does well in a interest rate cut environment, right? Um, get in there, Kyle. Let's go. Yalvast, let's look to buy this Nasdaq again if it gets down to the even to 600 to 640 range. If we get a push down here, gold's going to defend this 4200 level for a while here. But 42, 40 buy short gold. No, I'm not looking at short gold there now. You're deeply over. I'm looking. Look at the oscillator on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Hey, Najee, get in there, Najee. How are you? MV Pickney. All right. All right. Let's just and when you see this negative MACD here, like this on the 1-minute time frame, this was the bear flag right here. Boom. And Nasdaq down 100 here. Just you're still bullish on all three time frames. 1530. Wow, 3708. Good job. That's a good job. That's a great job, actually. I was betting shorts all day today. Um, I was betting shorts all day today, and the reason being is that you had some really big sell divergences here on the. You had some really big sell divergences on the 60-minute time frame, and then when the market pushed down, you had buy divergences on the 60 continuous contracts. All right, let's see if this again. This this would be scalp long on this here. I'm not really liking what I'm seeing here. See if we can. The 15s are starting to roll over, but the 30s and 60s are getting deeply oversold here. And, we came in here in the Nasdaq. You could start scaling out of longs up here, 40 up to 50 if it gets up there. Come on, gold. You're gonna break this 4200 mark. That's a monster bear flag, though, off the 5-minute. Here we go. That's a monster bear flag. When I walked in here at 750, it was a monster bear flag. Hey, NQ Futures, how are you? NQ. Bear came knocking. There were beautiful patterns today. Oh, yeah. Absolutely, Iceman. Absolutely. 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 I hope everybody had a great day today, though, overall. And most important thing is that, you know, most important is that you, is Tony Gold here tonight? Tony Gold, I've been trying to call you. I don't know what's going on, Tony Gold. All right, Nasdaq above 45, up to 55. I'd be looking to take exit some longs here. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. One of the things that I want to tell you a story tonight. Someone called me and they said, "Hey, Steve, the has any posted a sign up yet? No, not yet. Probably in a little while." And he said, "Hey, Steve, I want to just tell you that I started with 4,000 in my account. I made 3 and I lost 6." I said, "What are you doing? That's not trading, bro. You know, that's And I get it. People get stuck and married to the trades, and they just don't want to let go. And I'm like, come on. Um, and I think one of the things that remains really important is that when people trade the markets, you got to have. I know it's hard to say this, but really no emotion, and I think that's what really gets people a lot of the times. Um, but it's important as a trader to be nimble on your trades, to be fast. Scalping is very important. I love scalping in and out. Again here, if they drop here to the even to 37, I would look to take a long here. You try to get these, there they go, right back up again. Here's the form for my funded futures, everybody. A Corp trades. You got to cut your losses quick. You got to cut your losses quick here. All right. Where's the form? You got to go to. You got to go to my funded. You got to go to my funded futures TV. I would cancel the buy at 37 here on the Nasdaq. Um, I think we're gonna just drift here. Very quiet. Um, Anybody have any questions here? It's just really been very quiet here overall, and I just think that overall, um, we just look in here. He has a bear flag. He has a bear flag off the 1 minute, but I'm still thinking that these 60-minute time frames are going to cushion the market here, and when these things turn up, look out. Why? Why? I'm here. My fund the future is dedicated. Let's short crude. I don't know where that is right now, though. Cruise, we're at 73, I think. Is that it? Oh my God. It's not even trading. 7 contracts. No, nothing. I mean, this thing has gotten really cabooshed here. All right, if the NASDAQ gets down to the even to 38 level, I would look to scale into some longs here on the NASDAQ. I think what you want to do here is the crude just pencil down. Oof. Oh man. Where's this thing going? So it's amazing. I shorted oil, right? 119 was it? Well, the high was I was offering 120. The high was 119.48, and I would go small. I don't know about going big. You know, on gold I would cancel the buy range. Uh, Reading Nasdaq to crack. I agree. Yep. If this Nasdaq can, it touched 38 and just ran here. Looking at the 1 minute here on the Nasdaq here. I think it hit 38 here. Yep, 36. If you bought, I think these 60-minute time frames are really going to turn up here. Uh, let's say you call short on 50 to 70. What kind of stops? Well, first of all, it's too tight. I hope if you bought the Nasdaq, I would have kicked this out between 45 and 50. Um, yeah, metabolic, absolutely. First of all, 20 handles is too tight. On a slow day, I'll do 30. On a somewhat busy day, I'll do 40. On a crazy volatile day, I'll do 50 wide. Scale in and out makes huge drawdowns. Okay, Gervax. So, um, what do you suggest? Single lot entries? Okay. Yep. So, Yeah, that was a great short up there, 45.78 on Amazon, and then the heat trade, $100 profit. Um, so scaling in, there you go, in and out, there you go. Now, if it gets down here to the even to 35 range on the Nasdaq, I look to buy it again here. All right. Gervac, so I don't do what's called single lot entry. I don't buy something at Nasdaq at 30,050, put a stop at 30,600, and hope it's going to go to 30,700. I don't do that. Um, I trade live capital and I'm scaling in, whether it's Amazon, Micron, any of the big names, the indexes. And I've been you haven't blown an account 3 days, futures farmer. Well, you should be listening to me during the day. Okay, Nasdaq to 674. Could I'm looking for a bounce off the 60-minute time for here we go. I'm looking for a bounce. Hi, good evening. Hey, how are you? There you go. There you go. Scale out above 40, right? So let's just say, you bought 35s, you were bidding 25s. I don't even know what they got down to. I think it got down to 25, 28. Well, let's say you bought, I don't know, 30s. Okay. And then you were bidding, 20s. Scaling, I mean, yes, of course, anytime you add more contracts to the market, you're always going to have more risk. Okay. Past 2 evals from my phone at work listening to you. Get in there, Tina. Get in there. Get in there, Tina. So, of course, listening and scaling in, you're going to have more. Iceman's buying the beers. Absolutely, Patrick. Absolutely. I just think that all right, there they go. There they go. Right back up. I told you the 60 and the 30-minute time frame is going to act as a cushion here for the Nasdaq, right? Could have, a couple of nice little longs here based on this case. Thank you. WikiLeaks. Let's see. Well, Apple, if you want to see a great short in Apple, I'll just bring this up looking at my work. I had nothing but shorts today in Apple. If you look here, Apple open, look at this Apple opening here, 297. It pushed up, and I set above the 299.90 up to 390. It got up to 346, and the next bar dropped about 2, and then the bar after that, the 11 o'clock, 11:30 bar, you're pushing up here into these negative MACDs. These are non-confirmations here. Okay. Anybody long Nasdaq? Okay. Papa Del, let's go. Get in here. I'll see you here in a little while anyway. You'll be coming. You got to be able to understand that there's also, you're long from 640. Okay, well, all right. I said, 38 was the number, but okay. But again, looking at Apple, you had these negative MACDs on the 60 and on the 30, and you're getting these push-ups here. Apple had nowhere to go but down. Let me just put the Nasdaq back up here. Again, it's really about understanding the methodology here. And this is a monster bull flag, in my opinion, on gold on the 60-minute time frame. And so, yeah. Yep, gold keeps rejecting here. Um, all right, so again, what we want to do here, that's a nice long there. Again, now we gotta wait. I think this gold is gonna break. I don't know what it is. Is Tony Gold here tonight? Tony Gold, Iceman, get in there. Nice little short off the one. I'm just thinking that we get one more push down here. I think this gold wants to break. Uh, Long at 35. There you go. There you go. There you go. In and out. Yes, sir. Gold 4,000. Oh no. Hmm. I do not know, to be honest with you. Um. All right. So one of the things I would tell people is that I tell people all the time that there's two types of trading. There's pattern trading and there's scalp trading. I like doing the both. Okay, I like doing both here. Again, this was a really great long here, 28 up to you got 32 points here, 34 points. Again, these 60-minute time frames, I think when I say turning them up, it means like this, start going like that and upward on the oscillator. Hey, MV, how are you? How are you, MV? All right. It's very quiet here tonight. And again, we're going to be launching the sign up sheet here, so hopefully you'll all I hope all of you will get in there. Okay. Gervax, you've been asking me this question for months. If that's not your style and you want to do single lot entries, then you do what you want. Tony Gold, are you here? Tony Gold? You never call me back. You have the man with 19 different phone numbers. Tony Gold. Yes, sir. Um, let's see here. We're gonna see. I think this goal is gonna break here, though. I really do. If this market, um, we actually have a feature that we're going to be coming out with where you can actually put the number of contracts that you want to trade in the product, and it will take um, take the range that I'm looking at or the range that you plug in, and it tells you exactly. It will actually manage the trade for you. You think Bitcoin's in an uptrend? No, I don't think so. All right, so there it is, 70.65 now. These 30s, 15s, and the 60s look like they want to turn up on the NASDAQ. I'm looking just to buy. I'm not looking to short them. No way. If you are looking to short them, you got to be very quick. Um, War. Papa Trump mentioned the stock market today every time I turned on the TV. You see the stock market? You see the stock market? You see the stock market? Everything's related to the stock market. Everything's related to the stock market. He just goes on and on and on. Whew. He just can't stop talking about it. Why were you shorting at 540? Let me see what at 540. At 540. Let's see what you were doing here at 540. Let's see what you were doing here at 540 here. It's 4 o'clock. Let me just do the 5-minute time frame. 540. Here's 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. At 540. Right here? Why are you shorting right here? That's 440. Hmm. We're 340. Yeah, I mean, I called a long off the 15-minute time frame, cat snip. Look at this long I called right here. At between 3 and 3:30, I said, where is this thing? Right here. I look at the oversold condition. You got to know what you're doing here. No, the book, Save Your Money. When he leaves office, the market will get kabooshed. Who knows? Who knows? You got to be careful because let me teach you the QQQs reverse to sell. Reverse to buy on the 60-minute time frame. And then you buy the first pullback on the 15. We got long Qs here. They ran 100. We bought it here. Look at the oversold. First pullback on the 15 after the 60 reverse to buy. No, sir. If you know what you're doing, okay? So, anyway, I don't look at playbooks. I don't look at anything like that. I say, do your own work and think great things will happen, truthfully. All right. I don't know if we're going to get another pushback. I didn't give you an account. I mean, I basically just do the raffle here. I don't know. We're going to do the raffle tonight and we'll see what happens here. Are you trading prop, Brandon, or are you trading real capital? All right, another little bear flag here. Let's see here. 1 minute. Well, you got to have that intuition. Trading's about also having the intuition, being able to interpret, being able to really knock the ball out of the park, right? You want to be able to have the intuition. You want to expect. It's like driving a car, right? Are you just going to sit there and, okay, well, there's a big, gigantic tractor trailer tire sitting in the middle of the road. I'm just going to go right towards it, or you're going to have an intuition to go around it, right? Or, whatever, you know, or slow up, you know. Brandon, if you want to talk to me about that, I'll help you. Okay. You can anybody would like has any questions. Hey bots, if anybody has any questions and wants to talk to me, I'm more than happy to. I speak to people after the show for about an hour. So if anybody wants to text me 914-500-7484. Okay? Yes, sir. Yeah, I've been doing this now. This August will be 44 years. I love it. Love it. Psychology of trading. So I gotta say that I come in here completely blank. I don't read the paper. I don't get involved. I just know, like, if there's an economic news event at 8:30 or 10 o'clock, if there's any earnings out that are going to affect the market, and oh my God, that was short up there. And I just basically just said to myself, like, why cloud your head when I have all this information in front of me? Damn it, look at them drop. 61. I was hoping for maybe the bear flag into the negative MACD on the 5 minute at 75. Look at this bear flag. Jesus, right here. I was hoping right near the 10 bar. Right here. What was the 10 bar? 67. Jesus. 70. All right. Next. The, um, hey, Levi. So I think what you really have to remember is that if you're going to trade the markets, having the mental capacity to trade the market, you want to be able to have a complete clear head. Psychology. If you have a losing trade, next, just move forward. Move forward. You don't get consumed in this. You need a bearish close in the 15-minute candle. I don't look at candles here. I don't know why. I don't have an answer. I can't force people to be here and especially during the live session. I don't get it. Nasdaq gets down to the even to 30, 600 to 630. If they can get one more push down, these 60-minute time frames are getting primed here for a big kaboom here. Uh, yeah, of course. I mean, there's times I have some pretty big positions on these crazy names like Micron and SanDisk and AMD, and I'm just trading around the position, in and out, trading them. Buy some here, buy some back, boom, 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 boom. Damn it! Look at it. Oh, here again. You're making new lows. Was a low 38. Look at that, up 13. Um, yeah. I think using candles. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You guys do what you want. But I've been using bar data. I open, high, low, close. I can't look at the candle. I'll go completely bananas. Right? The wicks, this, that, this, then a long wick, and that, this, and a big wick. Next, right, Jesse? Right, Jesse? Jesse knows. No can. How are you, Vaughn? Yeah, and Hendrix would eat me if I went and I used to. Where's my Annie? He's so good today. He only wanted to eat 4 people. Yes, sir. Candles, 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 candles. How's Micron? Is Micron really 1132? No, it's 1151. I see right now. What a close today. We had 10 billion for sale on the bell. And then it got it down to 6 billion. And all I know is Micron went from 48 down to 30. It doesn't matter. Uh, and then the S&Ps were just sitting around the 74, and then boom, was it 74? Yeah, 74. Was it 74? Yep, 74, right down to 59. Unbelievable. All right, this Nasdaq. I'm telling you this. Look at this right here. Look at this, Jesse, right here. Look at the yellow dots. Oh, I'm dying for another push down. Okay. Oh boy, I got killed on MU. Why? Why'd you get killed in MU, Brandon? You got to text me. I choose MACD over. Of course, I don't look. First of all, I don't look at RSI. You don't get the bars. I mean, come on. I mean, really, in all honesty, here. I mean, how could you look at this thing here? Style. I mean, how could you look at this though? Really, this is. I don't know. I can't figure this out. It hurts my eyes. Open, high, low, close. It's so pure and clean. You're very welcome there, Pray. But listen, to each his own, man. I don't, Shahid, to each his own. If the S&Ps can get down to the 53 to 58, I would look to buy it. These 60-minute time frames, well, the 30s really, but this is a really beautiful pattern here on the 30-minute time frame here. Now, if it do push up to a new high or push up the 30 MACD is gonna be negative, but look at this beautiful bull flag here. I'm hoping for a push back down to 30, 35 here. And how banks are trading SR3. How you read ranges? Can you give? Hey, Burke. Yeah. So basically, I do my ranges based upon looking at my indicator 3, my indicator 4, my indicator 1, and I get the ranges based upon the strategy, right? It's based upon the strategy, and I think the most important thing is to really understand that you know, understanding the condition first. That's basically my indicator 4. Blue might funded $100 short out payout, trying to make it up the loss, not only $20 on it. All right, let's just see. Big game tomorrow, 1 o'clock, right? Big game tomorrow. You have USA playing Australia, and I think that player for the US that's supposed to be so great is not playing, right? That's what I heard. But put the 1 minute time frame back up here. Beautiful bear flag here. Open for up here a little bit more, but okay, it should be a great game. I'm long 4 biggies on Nasdaq. Oh, Iceman, I think you can. Iceman, look at this. Look at this, Iceman. Iceman, this could be over 700 sometime tonight, right? Iceman, you see this? If the Nasdaq gets to even to 35, I would look to buy it. Iceman, you see this? I do not, Dave, Dax, I do not look at the VIX for scalping. I do not. No, no, sir. Nope, nope, and nope. Nope. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody here from the great state of Florida? Anybody? I dropped it. Check here on the wrong spot. And he's not going to start bothering me. All right, gold's supporting that 4200 mark. Hey, Salty Sailor, how are you? Ay, ay, ay. Up something here. Just give me a second. Can't wait to get a bigger office. All right. All right, there you go. All right, let's just see. I'm not gonna. He's bothering me, so gonna just try to stand the rest of the day, night here. Here. Nasdaq just very quiet here. Very, very quiet. Brandon, text me. All right, 914-500-7484, Brandon. Okay. New to the channel. Hey, Brian. Everybody, welcome Brian Wheeler. Is there any certain indicators to use specifically every day? Well, I built my own methodology. So I'm happy to share it with you after. You're more than happy. And Anton, how are you? Chad, how are you? Chad, Dax Muger from Australia. I got a lot of people from Australia here. Brandon, you could text me. Brian, you could text me. I'll call you after the show. Everybody welcome Brian. Everybody welcome Anton Agi. 12 minutes, yep, 11 minutes to China. Well, China's been buying gold, so anticipate some type of we'll see. China's been buying gold here. Should have taken some scalp longs there. Deeply oversold on the fives. All right. How do you contact you from outside the US? Go to WhatsApp and just text me 914-500-7484, and I'll send you I'll call you on WhatsApp after. And you know, one thing I will tell you, okay, one thing I will tell you is you know, once you learn this methodology, it's going to stick with you. 3 time frames, 5 conditions, 10 strategies, you know. And I just think that people need to really stick to one thing and learn. No, I'm not taking tomorrow off. Were you crazy, GQ? No way. I'm not taking off. No. Not certain. So one of the things that people need to remember is to be really as focused as possible. Raphael uh, told me that one of the things that really changed his life. What question? Is to be completely focused. I'm sorry, I didn't see it. Am I taking tomorrow off? No. Where's your question? Uh, if I trade in Nasdaq at this particular time, is there any other chart I would like to follow for confluence? As Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, they must be close. Yes. So, and if you trade the Asia and European markets, just the 5, 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames, you're really pretty much good to go. Okay, you don't have to use the you don't have to use the underlying ETFs during those sessions. Just to be clear, okay, just to be clear. So, wanted to share that with you. So, yeah, been doing this. I don't know, in about 5, 6 more weeks. 44 years. I can't believe it. The things I've seen, the people I've met, types of market I've seen. I'm gonna start writing a book though. Yeah. I'm starting to think about the book that I'm gonna write. NQ Guru? Really? We spoke? Absolutely. I use the underlying ETFs. Wow, this has this Iceman, do you see the oscillator on the 60-minute time frame here? Right, Brave Day? I do not look at opening gap. I don't look at is it correlated with market on closed direction? No. The craziest moment I ever had was when I was long 280, 250 or 280 million currencies. And at 4:40 in the morning, Ben Bernanke cut the discount rate, and dink, and it made like 1.1, 1.5 million. I forgot 1.2, 1.5 million that morning. That was insane. I mean, I literally had probably bigger positions than Goldman ever did. And that was pretty insane. I was just sitting here and monster positions. I mean, like, you know, like 60 million euro, 50 million pound, $60 million yen, 30 million euro yen, 30 million pound yen, 40 million Aussie yen, 40 million New Zealand dollar yen. I went crazy. All right, 6 minutes. Let's see what happens here. Hope I got a good commission. No, commission. I was executing. I was right. Yes, I'm going to be on Discord tomorrow. I said 8:30 to till like 10, 11, or whenever 12, whenever. I'll be here. Me and Henny. Yep. Anybody from the great state of Florida here? Anybody? Iceman, do you see the 60-minute time frame? Iceman. You could make 20,000, Najee. Look at Raphael, what he's done. Look at what Raphael's done. No, it's time based. I don't understand what time based means. Um, Pound yen. Oof, that's a crazy one. That's a crazy one. That pound yen. Sometimes I would catch sometimes Tampa, Florida, Eagle. Yeah. Discord is I have a complete trader for $4.50 a day. It's absolutely retarded. Nothing. Um Florida's friendly, PG. Oh, come on. Get back in there, Angel. Let's go. PG, you're born and raised in Florida. Here we go. 30 to 35 if they get down there. Um, I love it here. Of course you can use your methodology on Asian markets. What do you think I'm doing here now? This is my methodology. Okay. Gold's in a negative trend on the 15, 30, and 60. 80 axes are rising. I mean, yeah, of course. Yeah. We'll see. Papa Trump gonna say anything. No, I don't look at opening close. None of that. No, 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 no. All my strategies are based upon divergences. Okay. Again, if the Nasdaq gets down to the 600 to 635, I look to buy them here. Oh, come on. Would you make it down here to 38? All right. All right. Come on, Angel. Get in there, Angel. Oh, come on. Nasdaq just raised it even to 38 if it gets down there. Ay. Oh, yes, sir. All right. 2 minutes to China. 2 minutes to Chinese market. I want to go long gold. I think you get one more push down though. What do you mean you're long in Nasdaq? Just got caboose. You gotta trade it. If you want to keep your bid in there for China or not, it's up to you. Why do you keep saying Bitcoin's going to 75,000? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Well, Morocco, I gotta come visit you, Najee. Najee, I should come out there when they have the Formula One, right, Najee? Hey, how are you? From Hong Kong. Bitcoin to 40,000? Probably more like it. There you go. No way, I live in Martinique. No way. Futures until rapture. Are you kidding me? Really? I'm in the Martinique area. You're in Antigua? That's it's right by the park, right? The ball fields or the parks. Look at them go. Look at them go. Look at them go. Iceman, this 60 Iceman. Look at this Iceman. I can't believe somebody lives like a couple miles from here from me. Travis, you got to get back here, Travis. Travis, text me. I haven't heard from you in a while. 914 500 7484. Well, mm-mm. All right, now here we go. See if we get one more push up here on the five. Let's see here. China's on holiday. Well, if you want to text me, I'll give you my phone number 914. You sell some Nasdaq here between 40 and 60. I can get futures until Raptor 914-500-7484. What is the buy range even to 30 to 38 on the Nasdaq? I gave you the range here. Just got down to 31. So if you bought 35s or 33s or 36s, let's just see if we get, here we go. These 60s, look at this beautiful bull flag. There's no volume. Oh, there goes the gold. All right. Futures until Raptor. Here you go. Raise your stops on the Nasdaq. There you go. There's 20 on the Nasdaq, Iceman. Get in there. Get in there, Iceman. Kaboom, Lee. Liam, get in there, Lean. Levi, get in there. Long, Long. Do you see the 60-minute time frame? Beautiful. Oh my God, this could run. Look at them go. Look at them go. Beautiful. Ryan, Jennifer, Travis, Lean, anybody from my Discord get it? You want the indices to drop? Okay. That was a nice one. When to exit? I don't know. You got 30 points on the NASDAQ? I probably would have exited. Missed that gold short at 11. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Right? That was a pretty good one right there. Let's see if we get another push down. 64. Jennifer, you got the short? Good job, Jennifer. That was a great short at 11. Oh boy, I just missed it. Oh my God, this gold's finished. Finished. What a bear flag. Just dropped 8 on the gold. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Hmm. Get your bone. Get your bone. Go ahead. And he dropped his bone. Oh boy. Jennifer's in there. Oh man. Dave, you get that short on the gold to push up to 11, 12? Was okay. Whatever makes you work feel comfortable, Kyle, right? Hit 13, you got the short, good job. Oh, Nasdaq up 30, down 30. All right, Nasdaq drops again here. I probably look to buy even to 30. Right. Wow, what a caboose! My God, you got the Nasdaq short. Looks like the 1 minute bear flag, right? S&P is getting cabooshed. I was looking at how much the Nasdaq has. How about 20%? Okay, how about 20% since March 20th? Hey, boo boo. Hi, boo boo. Hey, my Andy. Hey, my boy. Hello, my boy. Daddy loves you. My big moose. Hello. Hello. All right. Let's see if this Nasdaq. You got the 5 and the 30-minute time, 5 and the 60-minute time frames oversold. Let's go. 200 running. I nailed the short and long. Good job, Levi. Hey, you miss Uncle Levi? Miss Uncle Levi. Hmm? I'll give you a couple of treats because I love you. I think it should Nasdaq. I think the 60-minute time frame should definitely push up. Matter of fact, I look to sell them between 30 and maybe 45. Okay. Anyone some excitement? I know. Like oh, he's not getting any tonight. Oh, it's very slow here. 121 on the gold short. Good job, awesome trader. Stop nudging me. I can't move that fast. Big wicks, big sells. I do not look at wicks. Gold got caboose. Yep. I took my eye off. I was watching the Nasdaq, and then next thing I know, you get the gold push up to third. Dave said 13, so I believe him. Oh, I just have a feeling that these 60-minute time frames still gonna give you one more push up here. I mean, even on the S&P futures as well. All right, this is your last one. That's it. All right, again, third. You can go get on longs 27 up to 40. Right now that you slobbered my hand, are you okay now? Right, you okay now? Okay. Right, good boy. No more. Go drink your water. Come on, go drink your water. Your water. I don't know. I think these 60-minute time frames futures. I think they're gonna fill the gap. There you go. There we go. What are you doing, wrecking your bed? All right. Really great shorts today in gold. My God. Levi, today was a beautiful day short in gold. First on the opening, the push up into the negative MACDs on the 30 and 60. Give this, come on, Zach, give us a pop. Give us a pop here. Let the Nasdaq. Let's get this Nasdaq on the 18,000 already. Gold to 8,000. So day trade, Tom. Whatever you're on, send me a case, please. Get this push up here. I can't believe this mic won 1151. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, I'm just joking with you, though. I mean, seriously, silver 500, gold 8,000. I mean, Jesus. You were happy for 3 minutes on Nasdaq. Let's see, Iceman. We'll see. Hopefully, we'll get this push up again here. Negative MACDs here, though. We will switch it to the 5 minute. Okay, I'll see you in the morning, Dave, till about, I don't know, 11, 12, whenever the exchange is open till. You see. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get these 60s. Turn it up. Turn it up. Nasdaq 280. Test. What, Sam? Whatever you're on, send me a case. You think the Nasdaq's going to 280 tonight? 30,280. You got Micron up. You got Micron up about 20 on the low, or 20 now. Okay. Okay. You got SanDisk up about 20. The chip stocks have been holding the market up, right? When the 60-minute time frames get overbought. There you go, Iceman. Turn it up. All right. 30 up to 40, 45. No, 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 no. I'll overnight it. I'll overnight you some. Are you crazy? What happened, Patrick? Patrick, you never texted me, by the way. You're in 30 to 45. Just scaling out of longs. Well, that's true too, Angel. That's true too. That's true too, though. Um, the I was long. I said I gave the range. I said even to 30, and I think it got down to like 16, 11. So you would buy like maybe 30s, or maybe you would buy 25s and 15s. You know what I'm saying, Patrick? Wow, there you go, Sherlock Stocks. Great job. Great job. It's okay. Um, this gold's going to break 4,200. The market did not like Papa Trump. I mean, the talk about interest rates. No, sir. Come on, 60-minute time frame. Turn up again. You can still scale out anywhere between 30 and 45. I know we miss you too, Uncle Levi. Henny was looking for you today. He sat over there. Looked very depressed. He was waiting for his head to be rubbed by your foot. And you're so long this side. All right, come on, 30-minute. Let's go. I mean, look at the yellow dots here. The yellow dots are into the upper band here. They're not even looking like they're going to reverse to sell. So I'm still hoping and thinking they're going to get one more big push up here. But 920 already. Good Lord. That's a t-shirt. Which one? I say too many things, Levi. I mean, Iceman. What's a t-shirt? Anybody know where Ravlin's been? Derek, Leon, Jennifer? Anybody know? Anybody know where Ravlin's been? Man, oh man, oh man. Anybody foot in the mouth was he's a good boy, my Annie. Nobody's gonna hurt him again. And I have a podcast every day, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. So hope you guys can watch that. That's pretty fun. Come on, let's go, Iceman. On already. Do something. No way, Jennifer. You're up 4,000? Wow. Why do you need heat? Oh, no heat on any trades. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. Great job, Jennifer. Get in there. Anybody watch the Knicks celebration today? The T-shirts, I think next week. Fine, gold. Gold's defending this 4,200 for unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yep. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq's got to go here. Who do you think? You think tomorrow? Come on, why is it so slow? This slow market is due to the bank holiday, definitely, or else even Friday. Oh yeah, 100%. No, there is sign up. You have to go to the My Fund the Futures YouTube. Everybody, hey, OG, how are you? I was gonna say maybe take the long on the gold at 02, but I don't know. USA taking the cup. Mexico wins over Korea tonight. Well, okay. It doesn't matter. Why do you think the Nasdaq's going to get cabooshed? Can we just worry about right now? Let's just worry about right now. Oh my eyes. Come on, Iceman. Let's get this thing up to 50, Goose. Right? Iceman? I can't wait to meet Iceman come hopefully. It was a circus shooting in Times Square, a few stabbings on Broadway. Not bad. Average day in New York City, right, Ryan? It was a circus shooting in Times Square, a few stabbings on Broadway. There you go. Get in there. Come on, get this NASDAQ moving. The gold's moving more than the NASDAQ now. Jesus. Come on, let's get going. Wow, this gold just ripped like $6. I just tried to think that the gold was going to break 4,200. Come on, here we go, Iceman. Here we go. I'm not seeing. I know, but the 60-minute time frames should push up here. Again, look, the exit longs 30 to 45 range. The 5 minute. It's not a bull flag. I'll show you a 5-minute bull flag. This is a bull flag right here. I'll show you a really great bull flag today. Beautiful bull flag right here. Nasdaq on the 5 at 1 o'clock. Look at that, 650. Boom, 80 up. Okay, that's a bull flag. Oh, look at this gold. Hey, hey, Barack, how are you? Short gold, 4,200. What? Minute options mean they expire in 1 minute? I know, Minute Rider, Greg Allman, not Almond, Greg Allman, Allman, Zach Brown, Vince Gill, best version I've played. Was live. Really? Greg Allman? Zach Brown? Oh, I didn't know that. I hope this NASDAQ kabooms. Oh. NASDAQ gets down to the 30,000, 590 to 30,615. Let's take another long here on the NASDAQ. Gold, I'm trying to short this gold on the pounds. It got up to what, 09, 08. Now, when you see the MACD's negative like this, I can't believe this gold. Now, when you see the MACD's negative like this on the 30-minute time frame, even when you got the oversold condition on the 30 and the 60, if you get any type of push up, this negative MACD here should make a lower high here. So whatever this high is, it should do something like this. Okay, and then drop. No, I said 590 to 615. Just to keep it tight. I don't know, but he sent the team from Iran out of here. Did you read? Anybody read that? Is that true? He sent the team from Iran out of here. Papa Trump. Yeah, staying in Mexico. But I mean, in all honesty, why take it out on the athletes though? I mean, like, you know, I mean, it has nothing to do with them really. I don't know what the mentality of that is. I really don't know what well, that's Papa Trump. How much time I spend on charts? All day I'm here. Rick Holloman, how are you, Rick? Get this NASDAQ and get this one more push up here. This one I have to say that I don't know. I don't understand his thinking on this one. Nasdaq looked to sell out of longs 20 to 35 here. This one I gotta say I don't understand it, but whatever. I mean, they're here to play, compete, separate the sports, the event from what's going on in the world. I'm not saying I don't know what those guys did. I don't think I don't know, but I don't understand it. Ugh. So I'm tired. I get no sleep last night. I was up all night. Um, my goodness, probably one of the slowest Asia sessions known to mankind. Gold, I think gold's going to 4,000. I mean, not tonight. It's not a question of him starting the war. He felt something compelled to do, but it hit 615 already. I think it's going to turn up. It hit 615 already. I'll be streaming tomorrow in my New York session from 8:30 till whenever we close, 12. Gold's hitting 6,300. When is that going to happen? Maybe in 2028 when they start cutting interest rates, but they're not going to. I don't think I think gold is going to trade in a range. It could be 3,500 to 4,500. I know I need a vacation. I'm going to go to Thailand, I think, for 10 days, December 26th. Exactly, Brave Day. Kudos. Thank you. My God, why is the NASDAQ acting like this? With the 1 minute back up. Patrick, did you get long down here? You could just start scaling out 20 up to 30, 35, 40. It's Christmas in Thailand. What happened, vibrations? Why? Oh, what happened? Why are you upset with yourself? You leave for Greece tomorrow, Pat? No, after you come, Steph, and then I'm looking to leave. I got to book this soon, actually. The 26th. You're coming the 13th to the 19th, I think, right? Let me look. I'll just see. You're coming December 6th to the 12th. Your friend Chris is coming Sunday. He's flying into Miami. No, I don't know about these big moves. All right. Hey, Andy, how are you, Andy? Oh, Andri. Sorry, Andri Merzine, 2870. How are you? All right, the raffle in 13 minutes. We're going to do the wheel tonight. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me that push up to 40, 50, 60. All right, really? He sounds like a really nice guy. Looking forward. Wait till I take him out to dinner on Sunday night. Oof, the place I'm gonna take him in, his head's gonna go spin like Sybil, right? And again, if anybody new here with like a five, look at this gold. Oh, 0809. Jesus. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone 914-500-7484. Halam, how are you? Oh, we'll have a really good time. Really good time. What, the 60-minute? Because look at the 60-minute time frame. It's a very oversold condition here. 14. You got the positive MACD here. I think looks like a nice bull flag to me. And when you have a 16-minute time frame, that's a bull flag. Look out. It should work. Okay. In one position. Okie dokie, smoky. All right, what time is it now? I'm still working on I'm still working on this oh my eyes are burning. This trip to Vegas. Come on. You could probably look to buy this again here, anywhere between this. I go 80 to 05 here, the Nasdaq. MACDs, convergence, divergence. I use it for a lot of my strategies. What country do I love? I don't really like traveling like that. I mean, like, I like to go to Turks and Caicos. I like to go to an island, sit, have a few drinks, sit in the pool, relax. I don't know. I'm not really one to sightsee. I went to Italy once and I said, that's it. I was exhausted running through the streets of Rome, running down the street to go to the Sistine Chapel, barely making it there. I'm like, good Lord. Come on, gold. I mean, come on, NASDAQ. Push to 50. gold. Oh, you do, Abano? I like Dominican Republic. I love Turks and Caicos. Um, I love Puerto Rico. Love Puerto Rico. Hey, Barack, if you need any help with anything, and the person who lives in Antigua, guys can give me a call. Really, Tina? Never loved. I've never been to St. Thomas. Bermuda's beautiful. Bermuda, Puerto Rico, Turks and Caicos. Oh my God, Tina, if you want to go, if you're married and you want to go away with your husband or boyfriend or whatever, go to the sanctuary in Cap Cana. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You probably never come back. Atlantis in the Bahamas. I took my kids there a number of times when they were young. Sat at the pool. I was having a heart attack when my 5-year-old was going down that big slide. You know, the slide that goes like this. No, did he go down? No, I don't think he went. The big tube one where the sharks are around him and everything. I'm like, oh my God. Do I enjoy snow places? Absolutely not. If I never see snow the rest of my life, I'd be the happiest guy. I've never been to Jamaica. You know that? Never been to Jamaica. Beaches and cocktails. That's it. It's over. That's it. 29,800. Yeah, you got to go down to Miami. Then there's a boat. I think it's like an hour boat ride with the high speed boats. Augie, come on down, Augie. I live down here in Jupiter, Florida. Mountains are your home. I don't like to be cold. I don't like mountains. I like beach, sunshine, umbrellas. Iceman, text me your average price, Iceman. Come on, give me a pencil up to 50. Nope. Come on down now, Bano. Florida Keys are beautiful, Steph. Wait till you see Jupiter. Oof, you may never go back to Canada. Then go to Utah, Shaid. I can't. No, I've lived in the city, in and out of the city for, what am I, for 57 years before I moved to Florida. Yeah, I don't like the cold weather. I can't deal with it. Have I ever heard of ICT? Of course. I have my own methodology. I'm not using that. Come on, let's go, Iceman. Get this above 30. I'd be happy. Done. 6 months. I'm telling you, Steph, you guys are going to come down here in December. You're going to see the whole place lit up. It's absolutely beautiful the way they decorate here during the holidays. I'm telling you, you'll be at the Gardens Mall and the Boca Mall, and your husband will go completely broke. But you're going to have such a great time. All the best restaurants are here. Arthur and Sons, Eddie V's, Waxons, uh, Grill, you got Capitol Grill, you got everything. I'll show you the best restaurants. Jupiter Beach and Resort. Oh my God, the O Hotel. You'll just do like, I ain't going back. Pack Light, Waffle House, McDonald's. Miami's the best city in the world. I love you to death, Michael, but it's not for me. Uh, my first one was 389. Oh my God. Bull flag on the S&P? No. 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 Not a bull flag. No. I don't have any friends. Antarctica? Are you crazy? Alberta? That's where you're from, Alberta? Oof. How cold is in Alberta? Is that near Edmonton? Hey, Denny Trades. How are you? All right, Jennifer. You ready, Jennifer? Toronto's too cold. Is Edmonton the coldest, or Alberta is, or Calgary? Which one's the coldest? I think Edmonton, right? Oh, look at this. Iceman, Iceman, Iceman. Let's go. You probably look to get long 570 to 600 again here. Jennifer, you ready? Edmonton's colder. Um, oh, you guys are in Calgary? Wow. All right, good luck, everybody. Wisconsin's the coldest. Oh, I agree. Chicago, Wisconsin. All right. All right. Wow, we got a lot tonight. Hold on. Let me write this down. Okay. Is everybody ready? Good luck, everybody. The raffle is on display here. Let me wait till the official 9:50 time stamp. Okay. NQ Futures, good luck. Good luck. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, or if you want any help with anything, you can just please text me at 914-500-7484. Number nine, please. Number nine. Number 9 is Mona Yields. Mona Yields. Thank you, son of Wall Street. There you go. This Mona Yields. Oh boy, I don't know if she's here yet. Mona Yields. Mona Yields. Going once. Oh, she won? No, no Mona yet. No Mona Mona. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to. Is she here? Mona Yields. Not here. Oh boy. Nope. Gotta give her another 1,000, 1,000. Again, anybody new, please text me. If you want a 5-day free trial, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Get 450 people, 500 people here. Let's guys should be listening to me during the day. Okay. I hope you out. All I want to do is see you pass. All right, next, we're gonna go up one. AI Cha Kamoi. Number 10. We go to number 10, please. AI Cha AI Cha AI. Hey, congratulations, number 10. Wow. See, that pays to be lucky. Go play the Powerball. Number 63, please. Number 63. That is Volkspart 9776. Didn't he win last night? Volkspart? That's insane if he won twice. Is Volkspart here? Oh, wow. I think he won twice. That's crazy. Okay. Uh, number 226. Number 226, please. Teach like a DJ. Teach like a DJ. Teach like a DJ. No? I can't believe if I think he won twice. Okay. Number 100 Number 169, please. 169. 169, please, is I'm so good. Mr. 21. Mr. 21. Congratulations, Mr. 21. Mr. 21, are you here? Mr. 21. Yes? No? Oh, okay. Number 111. Number 111, please. How do I say this? Truijan? 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 Okay. Truijan? Okay. Number 338. Number 338, please. Number 338. And that would be ES Futures. ES Futures. Congratulations, ES. Is he here? ES Futures? No? Oh boy. Oh, ES Futures is here. Okay. Congratulations. Number, how many is that? 6. Number 445. 445, please. 445. Oop. 67 William. 67 William. 67 William. He's here? No, I don't see him. Is he here? I don't see him. He's here? Okay. Number 533. Number 533, please. Nonstop NQ Trader. Nonstop NQ Trader. Wow. Nonstop NQ Trader. Nonstop NQ Trader. Wow, people are flying in here tonight. Okay. How many is that, Jennifer? 8. Number gotta think this one out. Number 258. Number 258. It just hit me. Number 258. Joyce Fernandez, 714. Joyce Fernandez, 714. Joyce Fernandez. Are you here, Augie? Okay. Joyce Fernandez, are you here? If she's not here, we got to go up 1. Oh, congratulations. Is that how many is that? 9? All right. Last number. One of my favorite numbers. Okay. Let's see. Number 23. Number 23. And that would be Jack Skeleton Official. Jack Skeleton Official. Jack Skeleton Official, are you here? Joyce Fernandez, be consistent. Joyce Fernandez, who's that? Oh, Jack Skeleton? Is that 10, Jennifer? That's 10. Well, that was a great one. Okay. I think this Nasdaq's still going to get this push up here, Iceman. Um, but I want to thank my fund of futures. I want to thank um, Matt, Aaron, Denny. I want to thank all of you. Most important, I want to thank all of you here. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Also, my live stream is really dynamic from 8:30 to 4. I'm willing to give you 5 days to try it. But again, just text me your phone name and email, and I'll help you out. And I want to see everybody succeed. That's the most important thing in life, right? It's a hard game, but remember, I've been doing this for a long time. Um, I think there's ways I can help you or tweak you to help you be more consistent. And again, for me, there's no greater joy in my life than to see all of you succeed and get great payouts and help you, yourself, and your family. All right? All right, what time is it here? 59. Okay, my knee's a little banged up here today, so I got to stand. Nasdaq, S&P is making new lows. Unbelievable. One bear flag on another on the fives. I still think you're gonna get this push up here. You have a you have a 13 over so reading. I think I go home tonight. I'll check. I think it will be about 60 higher from here. All right. Thank you for a brave day. Thank you everybody. Smoke trades. Thank you everybody for my SK Trading YouTube. David T. Thank you so much. And Jordan FX, Flash Gordon, Jason. Have a great weekend, everybody. Again, if you want the 5 day free trial, I'll just send it out. You'll start it on Monday. Tomorrow, Brazil. Yes, sir. Brazil. Okay. USA versus Australia tomorrow. Should be fun. 1 o'clock. And I'll be watching it. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Oh.